In this video, we will show you how to turn off voice on Google Maps. When you are navigating using Google Maps, maybe you are annoying with voice that appear from Google Maps. Actually, you can turn off this voice or this guidance. How to do that? First, you need to open your Google Maps. Okay, for example, I'm using Android, and then click your profile picture here. After that, in here, you can scroll down and choose settings. Make sure you click here and then choose navigation. After that, you can see this is the sound and voice when you using navigation on Google Maps. Okay, you can go to the mute section if you want to turn off like this, or you can using the guidance volumes is softer. You can using this, and that's how you can turn off your guidance when you are navigating on Google Maps. Okay, that's all tutorial how to turn off voice from Google Maps. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching.